Hello, and welcome to a new episode of our Conceptboard tutorial series. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our templates and building blocks. So let's start with the templates. You find the template library from the plus icon up here, and then under Insert Template. It gives you a big variety of more than 100 templates to choose from. If you're looking for a specific template, you can also filter them by these different categories. If you have found the right template for your use case, just click on it, hold it, and drag it into the board to the location that you'd like. You can then close this and then still choose the right location. Most of the templates give you a link to our blog with some more information and tips and tricks about the template. If you don't need this, just click on it with a double click and hit the backspace on your keyboard. You can then just start editing your template. All templates are grouped in the beginning, so if you need to work on the text elements or need to move some stuff around, you can either click on it with a double click. So now I'm in this, I can switch to the text option and now rename this. You could also just ungroup it by clicking on the ungroup icon. Now I see I have separate icons here. So I now need only one click, can switch to the text option and can now edit the text here. If I then still want to move it around, most of the times it's easier to then just group it back together. So I go in the three-dot menu, go on this icon, group, and now I just need one click and can move it to another location. You can then obviously add some more stickies and move them from one column to the next one to the next one. For the building blocks, it's quite similar. So you find the building blocks from the plus icon as well. Under Insert Building Blocks, you choose the building blocks that you need and then hold it and drag it into the board. It then also is grouped in the beginning, so I can now easily move it around with just one click and move it to another location. Close this. And if I now want to put something in the circles, I click on it once and then with a double click, now I'm in this one, switch to the text option and now insert some text here. Just like the template, you can also ungroup this. So now as you can see, I have a lot of separate parts that I can move around easily and could then group them back together once I'm done. This, and now they're all grouped again and I can move them all together. So this is all from me for today. Now it's your turn to play around with our templates and building blocks. Happy collaborating!